Hi everyone, welcome back to Polariz.ai. Sometimes you may want extra guidance, professional insight, or one-on-one support for your child, and that's where our licensed speech specialists come in. My name is Rose, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to book a session with a speech specialist inside Polariz.ai. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you know what to expect and how easy it is to get started. In order to book a session and find the best expert for your child, you can go about it in two ways. Either you can click on human speech coaching section, and from there, you can click either on find a speech coach or book a session. Either way, you would arrive in the pages where we have our licensed verified speech coaches, or you could directly click on coaches tab at the top of the website. No matter which path you choose, you will arrive at our list of verified and licensed speech coaches. To best support your child's needs, you can also use filters like specialization and prices. So here you can pick the specialization that your child needs, whether it's speech therapy or fluency, voice therapy, whatever it is. And you can also pick the prices that you're comfortable with. For this video, let's pick speech therapy and prices as to $0 to $50 per session. Once you apply the filter, you'll see a curated list of verified speech coaches based on your preferences. From this list, you can click on any coach's profile to learn more about their expertise, their experience, and their availability. And from there, you can easily book a session. Let me show you. Here, once you click on View Profile, you can learn more about our speech coach, their experience, their specialization, their education, their certifications, their rates. And as you can see here, there's a button, book consultation. You can click on that. You can pick the time zone that you'd like, let's say Mountain Time, and then you can pick a date, 23rd of January. The duration could be 30 minutes or 60 minutes, depending on your preference. And then available times will show up. You can choose the one that works for you. And you could also choose the session type, initial consultation, if there's any notes that you'd like to put on there for the speech coach to look at. You can also add it there and book a session. If you don't want to book a session, then you can always click on the close button and view more speech coaches that we have, depending on your customization. Again, you do the same thing, you view profile, you see the experience about them, specialization, languages, education, rate, and do the same if you'd like to book the consultation. Or if not, then you just click on the close button. And this is how you can easily book a session and connect with one of our verified and licensed speech coaches. It is very simple and very flexible to find the right expert to support your child. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully booked a session with a speech specialist and taken another meaningful step in supporting your child's communication journey. At Polariz.ai, our goal is to give you the support that fits into your life without long wait lists or added stress. I hope that was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.